Let me ask you a question. How many people do you know who talk about building websites and how many actually do it? Exactly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first website using an AI-powered coding environment, even if you have zero experience, zero, zero confidence, and zero idea what HTML stands for. And yes, the Google anti-gravity page does not open. Welcome to experimental patch. If it worked perfectly, everyone will already be rich. So you know what to do. Find some way. Just like just like did you find this video? Find some way. It exists. You can download it, install it, and that's that. Let's be clear about something. A website is not just a website. A website is a landing page, a funnel, a product, a portfolio, a business asset. This is how money enters the internet. So if you're here thinking, I just want to learn some AI stuff, good, because AI plus websites equals leverage. And leverage is how normal people stop trading time for money. Now, about Google Anti-Gravity. It is not a shiny, finished Google product. There's no magical download button today. And no, you didn't break anything. Anti-gravity is experimental. It's Google saying this is how the future of coding looks. And the future looks like less typing, more thinking, and telling machines what you want instead of begging Stack Overflow at 2 a.m. So, what we are building. This is the first video. We are not building Facebook. We are not building Amazon. We are building something much more important. That is momentum. We start with one file, one page, one win. This is a new project. We will create a simple file called index.html that proves you can actually start to build something. So inside here, we create the file index.html. Why index.html? Because the internet has traditions and this one stuck. This file is your digital front door, your handshake, your hello, yes, I exist on the internet moment. HTML is not scary. HTML is just organized words with angle brackets. You open a tag, put stuff inside, close the tag, that's it. If you forget to close, the browser panics. So it's just like adults do in real life. Yeah. So after we create the HTML file, we talk to the AI. And no, you do not whisper, you do not apologize, you do not say please 70 times. You give clear instructions. For example, create a simple index.html file for a landing page, add a headline, add a paragraph, add a call to action, keep it clean, readable, and specific. Yeah, this is how prompting functions. And also, this is how you communicate in business. So we are now going, we are giving the agent some instructions here for our first website. But please remember to be uh, very detailed. But the first prompt when you're starting is not so much. Uh, it does not have to be very detailed. Just simple steps. For example, logo on the left, navigation on the right, what color, what theme, how the layout is structured, basic stuff. The footer, showcase, portfolio. What it depends on what site, what kind of website you are starting to create. But we are keeping very simple right now. It then after we have an idea of how our website is going to be structured and etc., then we can start working and talking, diving deeper with the AI agent. That's it, very simple. So now we are clicking send. That means that we are sending our instructions to Gemini agent. So Gemini agent now thinks just like a human being. It has a plan, an idea, a plan, then it executes it. It takes some time, maybe it depends in how the prompt is written and how complicated things there are inside the prompt. So I think for this one it will take a 20 to 30 seconds so it can generate a full index.html file from head to toe. Yep, thinking, working, generating. As you see, generated code, you have the CSS and the HTML inside one file, also called index.html file. That's it. I was not so specific with the color and theme, but it has chosen automatically the dark theme. It has called the website Aura. I don't know why, how it came with this idea, but AI is crazy. Is the future. So it has made how we requested what we requested. So a carousel, feedback, three-card system, footer, and everything. As you can see, AI, Google anti-gravity AI agent has, uh, excuse me, has access to my browser, to my Google Chrome browser, and it checks what it has done, what it has built. So it checks, it takes screenshots, records. That means if something he has messed up, then he will correct it and always ask you to accept the changes. So firstly, we accept that. And as you can see, it has completed the first task with one single prompt. Imagine what can we do with continuous prompting, continuous changes. We can build websites applications, and so much. It depends on your creativity also. So it has done good. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. It has done very good. So in the other video, I'm going to dive deeper into this. We are going to keep this to save this design so we can, how do you say it? We can sculpt it on the other videos to show you that you can build beautiful websites, full working websites with the help of AI without a single line of coding, just writing, prompting, giving your ideas and your creativity to an AI agent. That's it for today. So, if you're a beginner and you made it this far, you're doing better than you think. Most people quit when things don't load. You stayed. That's the difference. Thank you guys so much. See you on the next video.